guys, so here's the new spark plug wire. We found out that this cylinder isn't firing, or one of these cylinders ain't firing right. So we're gonna change these out. Probably gonna put music over this because other persons are working with me. So gonna change cap, I think, later, then rotor, or cap and rotor later. But right now our main focus is getting this changed out because it was backfiring on us. So hopefully this is the issue. Hope you guys enjoy. This should be the right wire diameter. We're going to change out the new one.
This thing.
I think they look identical. Ah, stupid film.
Oh, turn it.
Perfect engine temp, though. I'll tell you what, it ain't burning, but it's perfect. Oh, are you kidding me? You're shitting me, right? That wasn't a very definitive snap, but you know what? That might have been it. Oh, we should be good now. See, that's one. Do we want to try and see if it fixed it? Or do you want to just replace the entire bank? Go ahead and replace the entire bank if we want.
Pull the next one off.
Oh, sit on it.
Pull it off without breaking it.
Keep them as spares. Okay, let's see here. That's it. Come on, baby. Ouch. Just punched the firewall. Staring at it. That one feels like there's a weak spot in there, so I think that might have been the one that snapped. Wait, what? No, I don't want to be close. I don't want to hug the muffler if she backfires. That'll be loud. Hopefully it works, though. Already sounds better. It halfway fixed the problem, it's still backfiring. We better shut it off before it gets too hot. Great. So either it's the other side, or it's the cap. But it didn't sound like it was popping from this side. So maybe both sides were backfiring. We can try the next side, and then if that doesn't work, off goes the cap.
That one coming. Can't see that.
It's whipping.
Huh?
It's whipping. It's not really much of a defined direction, as I've learned today.
Put it inside, you can't see what you're doing.
Yeah.
So here.
As soon as you put it inside, you get the flashlights out. So.
Now we got the wires there. Well.
Oh shoot! Why don't?
Ain't done with the combine yet, evidently. I don't know what the hell he's doing in there. So.
What if we you move your car? We back this up by the.
Yeah. Put on the other side and pull the wires off.
So you replaced all the wires. The only thing that's left to do is, if this doesn't work, is the cap. So hopefully, cross our fingers. Yeah, hope we're done. This is ready to rock and roll. Here we go. Really? I mean, come on. That's just insult to injury right there. Yeah.
Bruce called it instead of cat.
I might. That's the one time, you know, you hope he's not right. And he's cold.
See,
I can't. It's going. Damn, she's still backfiring. This is disappointing because we've changed out pretty much everything inside of that ignition system. Alright, well, I don't know if this will be the end of the video or not, but if it is, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. This is the progression so far, so see you in the next one.